ever heard of a remodeling nightmare? Well, someone starts to remodel a room and discovers this problem, and then they uncover that problem. Well, that's what's happened to this house. We've been remodeling it for about 2 years. We started out, we were just going to do one room, and as we discovered, it's just more problem after more problems. So now we've pretty much gutted it out all the way down to the studs. We've taken up all of the flooring. We're going to step inside, and I'm going to show you what a remodeling nightmare looks like. As you can see, we've got some more floor joists we need to take out. These look like they were 2x6s, and then they added on 2 more inches, probably to even out the floor at some point. And if you look towards the end back there, we've already put in all new floor joists and 3/4 inch tongue and groove plywood. We've glued and screwed that down to the floor joists. We've pretty much removed all of the walls because it was kind of a jigsaw puzzle. There was like 4 bedrooms in here at one time, and this is only a 1,200 square foot house. So if we come over here, if you can see on the ground, underneath the kitchen and the dining area is actual dirt. So this house only has about 3/4 of it is a basement, and the rest of it is dirt. So we're going to be hand digging all of that out. So I'm over here on the side where there's no basement. This is actually the kitchen and the dining room area. And believe it or not, this was the bathroom over here. As you can see, the toilet flange right there. And I don't know what would happen if you ever had a leak under there, because there's no way you could get underneath the bathroom unless you tore the entire floor out. Now over here on this half of the house, there is a 7-foot basement. So what we think happened was maybe part of the house caught on fire, because there is some signs of fire damage, and then they rebuilt the other half. That's why 3/4 of it has a basement and 1/4 of it does not. Like I said earlier, we removed almost all of the walls, and we have some temporary supports put up. We're going to make this into just a 2-bedroom. It's going to be 2 large bedrooms, large bathroom, large kitchen, and large living room, instead of the jigsaw puzzle it used to be. So parts of the nightmare are some of these support beams. I mean, that almost looks like it's an old railroad tie. There's limestone, there's poured concrete. Some of this wood looks like it's rotted. Some of it looks like it's been cut out, like that right there, to add a air duct. And it looks like it may have been an entryway down into the basement at some point in time, and was eventually taken out and a room added over top of it. And here I'm just showing some damage that it's a little bit here and there around the house where we're going to have to fix the sill plate. And some of this wood looks like it was maybe taken out of an old barn or something on this one corner. Getting ready to remove all these floor joists next. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but the floor joists are actually sagged in the middle by 1.25 inches. If I go from left to right, it dips down really big right there, and then it starts to come back up. But it's 1.25 inches, and that's only 14.5 feet wide. So this is what a remodeling nightmare looks like. After we get those floor joists removed, new ones put in, and the 3/4 inch plywood over there, we're going to come back to this corner. We got our shovels and 5-gallon buckets, and we're going to dig all this dirt out 48 inches deep. I'm not sure what we're going to put at the base, probably plastic and pea gravel, but that's going to give us access to get underneath all of this section of the house in case you ever need to do work. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll probably post something as I get a little bit farther along, and thanks for watching.